Hello and welcome everyone. Do you ever go through your day and you're not sure what you should be doing, when you should be doing it? It's in your mind, but it's still kind of you're overwhelmed and you know there's things you need to do, but you're not sure? Then I'm covering in today's video 5 tips I'm sharing with you that I myself use in how to simplify scheduling into your day. So number 1 tip, block the time. So what I actually have is a calendar, and it actually has like time frames in it. So it has like, I'll start at 7, 7:15, 7:30, 7:45, 8, 8:15, 8, all the way for the whole day. And what I then do is block out time frames. So let's say from 7 to 8. And then, look at what there is to do during the day and know, okay, I'm going to have to set myself 5 blocks of time. And I really recommend that you actually use either a calendar, a paper calendar, or maybe you have Google that you use as well. But it's really, really important to schedule your time in blocks, because then you become consciously aware of them. You actually visually see them, and it helps you stay on track. Tip number 2, always stick with those rituals that you do every day. So it's things I talked about last week and how to wake up motivated every day. One of those rituals is I write in my gratitude journal every day. I move my body every day. I make sure I'm, smiling some point throughout the day. And those are really important daily rituals. And they're really, really important to make sure you have them a part of your day. You don't need to write them down, but it's things that'll, you know what to do every day. They're part of your daily ritual. So when you stick with your daily ritual things, then you feel so much more, I'll use the word organized. Tip number 3, something that I do, and it seems to work amazing, is on the weekend, be it Saturday or Sunday, I think about, okay, what do I need to get done this week? And then I write them down. So then Monday morning, I have my time blocked off, I have my daily rituals, and I know what I'm doing during the week. So again, on the weekend, decide what you need to do. Plan out your week. It doesn't mean you can't be flexible, but your intentions, and I talked about that the other week too, your intentions are there then of what you need to do that week. Number 4 ties in with number 1. Write down everything. And when I mean everything, I mean your lunch, your checking emails, your phoning someone, your appointments, your time to move your body. Because then you don't say at the end of the day, oh, I forgot, right? Or it's 2 o'clock and you're wondering why you're starving. Well, you didn't eat lunch. So remember when I talked about in tip number 1, those blocks, time frames, then you're going to write down. So let's say from 7 to 8. You're waking up, you're stretching, you're moving your body. Done. Let's say from, and you can put shower in there too. Let's say from 8:30 to 9:30, you're checking emails. Make sure from 9:30 to 9:45, you're taking a break just to refocus on yourself. If you haven't drank any water or your tea, your beverage, make sure you do that. So really blocking in those time frame blocks, writing in what you're doing during those frame times. And number 5, break down your big list into 3 weekly tasks. This will you feel you're more organized. And as you see you're checking off those tasks, you feel so much like overwhelmed of excitement because you've accomplished what you need to do. Because we all know we can make ourselves lists that are so long, right? But again, I talked about that. I'm going to put the video here too. I talked about that when you break down your long list into your top 3 things that you need to do that week, you got the whole week to get it done. And let's say it's Wednesday and you got your top 3 tasks done. you still have Thursday and Friday to finish the other things on that list. And when you start following through on those daily scheduled things, you're going to find your week goes more slowly. There's more flow. You're going to feel less stress, because we know there's so much stress in our life, right? And of course, when you make time to move your body, which I always talk about, you make sure you're hydrated. Again, write it on your schedule if you need to. There's no harm in not doing, because as you're looking at your time schedule, it's like, oh, it says here drink water. I better drink water, right? And then being hydrated allows much more flow into your brain. You're more awake, mental focus is a lot more, you're more productive, and you feel less stress. And in the video right here, was it this one or this one? I can't remember. You're going to see I talked about last week, and I'm going to put the video and just link onto it here at the side. I talked about 10 ways to wake up motivated every day, and I'm sharing you the top 10 tips that I myself do as well, so that I wake up every day motivated. Look at today, I just touched on the basics. There's so much more that I want to share with you. And if there's, a body and mindset that you're struggling with, if there's body and mindset questions that you have, then down below you're going to see the link where I want to chat with you. I offer free half-an-hour wellness chats so I can listen to you and answer your most lingering questions pertaining to your body, mindset, self-care. And if you're just saying, Tanya, that's great, but there's, is there a guide you have to let me, open my email every day and get a tip to get me thinking forward about my self-love, to get me on this positive process? Yes, I do. It's down below. I have a 28-day ebook for helping you with gratitude, to revamp your life, to feeling more fulfilled with happiness and less stress. I have 28-day e-guide down below, and I also have another 5 tips. You can find that link down below as well. So as you know, this is Tanya Otterstein-Liehs. I'm helping you unleash, unlock, and harness the tools you already have inside of you. I'm helping you unlock them so you don't have guilt or fear stopping you from believing in yourself, making well-deserved time for yourself every day, because you know what? Thinking about yourself, believing in yourself, loving yourself, moving your body in some way are all important factors to consider and to do into your daily rituals, your daily life for self-care. That's why I'm here for, your coach, your self-care coach, to help you with those baby steps, get you moving forward. This is Tanya Otterstein-Liehs here, saying before you go to bed tonight, think about one best thing that happened. Because no matter how awful your day may have seemed, there's always something great. And when you wake up tomorrow, think about what you're thankful for. Go ahead, write it down in your journal book. Subscribe on the right-hand side. Hit that bell so you never miss any one of my videos. Go ahead, share this if you feel what I shared with you today is vital, important message. Go ahead, share it. Have yourself a wonderful, wonderful day. Love yourself and believe in yourself. Bye-bye.